Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable icon badges for your phone application. Now you can see here on the phone app, there is an icon badge that shows 2 missed call. If you do not like to have this badges appears in your phone app, you can switch it off. Here's how you can do that. First, let's go back to your home screen. And on your home screen, tap on settings. In settings, I'm going to go back to the settings page, and then we go down and tap on the phone app. In phone, tap on notifications, and then tap on badges. Tap on the switch to turn it off, and you can see if I tap on the switch, it no longer shows the badges on the top corner. And if I turn it back on, it should shows the badge right here to indicate that I have a missed call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.